How to fix Instagram story music, no result found. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna tell you a successful solution on what to do if your Instagram story music has no results. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After opening, search for the Instagram app. Now look for any updates that may be available for the app. Now go back to your home page and open Settings. Inside Settings, you will land to Settings main page. Here go to the Wi-Fi option and make sure you have a good internet connection. Now go back to your previous page and roll down your notification bar. Also try to turn off your Wi-Fi option and turn on your cellular data. This way your minor network issues will get addressed and fixed. Now finally, open Instagram app on your device. Now go to your settings and activity. In here, scroll down. Scroll down until you see the option Account Type and Tools. Switch your personal account to professional account by following the prompts. Check if the issue persists on professional account. If so, then take professional help from the official help center. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.